Hi dear Leos, how are you guys doing? A very good afternoon to you guys. So Leos, this is a general love reading from mid of April till end of April. We will tap into your partner's energy and your energy and we will see what will be the outcome, okay? So right now your partner's energy is the King of Swords. I feel like Leo, your partner is acting very blunt, very honest, very practical. They are not putting the heart in this situation or in this relationship. They are putting the mind in this relationship, and they are making you feel like they don't need you. To be very honest, they are making you feel like you are not worthy of their time or their energy or their anything right now, or might be you are feeling hurt by their actions because they are acting little off and cold towards you, Leo, to be very honest. And maybe you offered something to them and they denied it, because right now I feel like your person is not in the mood of commitment or not in the mood of loving love energy or into or jumping into a relationship or some kind of that energy. Right now your partner is working on themselves only, and they are acting very practical, and they are telling you honestly what they are feeling, okay? How your partner sees you, the moon. Your partner sees you as somebody who is constantly having subconscious fears, or they see you as not a confident person. They see you as somebody who constantly lives in a fear of abandonment, or constantly lives in the fear of not fear of like things will not work out or things are getting worse, or they see you in some kind of negative light, to be very honest. Right now they feel like this, they feel like you are somewhat desperate to get them, or you are somewhat not that worthy of their time or their energy right now, to be very honest. But this is their current energy. How they feel about this relationship, you might be dealing with a Taurus. So they feel, although they feel like you are a marriage material, they want to have a long term committed relationship with you. They want to have you long term in their life, Leo, to be very honest. And in the long term I feel like they want to marry you, they want to settle down with you in the long term. But right now they are not in this energy of committing to you, or making any kind of moves towards you, or making any kind of amendments, or promises to you, okay? Although they see you as a marriage material, you could be dealing with a Taurus, and they are behaving like that, okay? Behaving like it, so yes, they completely see you as a marriage material. They feel like you guys have a spiritual connection. They feel like you guys have a very good connection, and this relationship could turn into a marriage thing in the long term. But right now they are holding back. Right now they're acting little weird, and right now they're applying their mind over their heart. This is what is happening. What they want from this relationship, the hermit. They want silence from this relationship right now. They want this relationship to heal. They want time, they want space, they want their own they want to heal their own wounds before coming towards you, Leo, to be very honest. Because I feel like they have lots of issues going on in their life right now, that they want to heal, that they want to go through, and that they want to analyze. They want to go alone right now. They want to walk alone right now on their spiritual journey, on their spiritual path, Leos. That is what is happening from their side. Although they feel the connection with you, although they feel like you are their long-term committed partner, although they feel like you are a marriage material and they want to marry you in the long term, in the future, but right now they are holding back. Right now they are not making any kind of promises or any kind of amendments or any kind of proposals towards you. And the outcome is also this is the Four of Pentacles. The outcome is like they are going to hold back. They are holding back a lot of things, a lot of emotions in their heart for you, but they are not going to say you anything. They are not going to tell you anything, although in the back of their mind, in the soul, you can say in their deeper heart, in the root of their heart, they feel like you are someone whom they can marry. You are someone whom they can spend the rest of their life with, okay? So the Four of Pentacles, this holding back, I clarified the holding back, why they are holding back. So this is clarified by the Fool, Five of Pentacles, and the Ace of Wands. They are holding back because they feel like if they jump into this relationship like a fool, they will be left in the cold, because I feel like they have some abandonment issues, or they have some trust issues or something. I don't know what happened to them in the past, but they have a fear that they will be left out in the cold, and this relationship will also turn out like their past relationships, and they are ready for Ace of Wands. and they in their heart, in their soul, they want to have a brand new beginning with you, but they are holding back because they have some kind of abandonment issues, or they have some kind of fears or trust issues in their life. That is why they are holding back. And by the end of April, I don't feel like they are going to say anything to you or make any kind of commitment or or communicate well to you about this particular relationship. But yes, under their like deep inside their heart, they know that you are you have the potential to become their long term partner, to become their long term committed partner, okay, to become their husband or wife or whatever the gender is, okay. So tapping into your energy is the two of pentacles. Leos, you are also very, very confused about this person, to be very honest. You are juggling between maybe two situations or two people right now, or maybe you are juggling between whether you should take a risk with this person, whether you should wait for this person or not, whether they are going to be honest and loyal with you or not. So you are juggling between two situations right now, yes or no, or maybe you are juggling between two people, or you might get some offer from anybody and you are now confused which offer to take, or should I wait for this person to come towards me, or there's some kind of confusion going on right now in your life, Leo. And how you see your partner, Page of Cups. You can see your partner that they are developing new feelings for you. Their behavior is changing towards you. They are being respectful to you if they were not in the past. They are more loving to you if they were not in the past. But there's some kind of happy news there. There's some kind of proposal, beautiful proposal coming in your way, Leo. And this is not kind of mature or commitment kind of energy, but this is kind of energy that yes, they are developing some feelings for you, they have feelings for you, and they want you in their life. That kind of energy that you can feel from them, okay. I don't feel like they're saying anything to you regarding this, but you can feel it, okay. So because actions speak louder than words, so you can feel that your partner is changing day by day towards you in a positive way, okay. What you feel about this relationship is the Nine of Pentacles. You feel like this relationship is very one-sided. So you feel like you should work on yourself first of all. So you feel like although this relationship is fine, this relationship is might be stable to some extent, but you want to work on yourself. You feel like you are in a one-sided relationship and you are more focused on your pentacles, on your money, on your business and your career as of now, Leo, okay. What you want from this relationship is the Page of Pentacles. You want a brand new beginning in this relationship from this particular person. You are waiting for this offer to come in from their side, and you want this person to make a commitment to you. You want this person to make some kind of offer to you, to offer you something solid and reliable, so that you can sit and you can just focus on your work and cycles. But I don't feel like that is happening, and that is why you are also closed off. This is a potential outcome from your side. This is a Two of Swords. You are closed off to them. You are on crossroads. You are not able to make any kind of decision regarding this particular person in your life, to be very honest. And you are also closed off to any kind of emotion, to any kind of love in your life. I feel like you are also not taking any kind of action towards them. You are also not taking any kind of action because I feel like this Two of Swords is clarified by Ten of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, and the Nine of Cups. Because you feel like, Leo, this is not the right time to think about this relationship or to be in any kind of complicated relationship with anybody, because you are more concerned about your money, because you are waiting for something to happen. You are waiting, maybe you are waiting for some kind of project to happen or any kind of job opportunity. There's something that is coming your way, and you are waiting very, very eagerly for that particular thing. And you feel like this, when your wish is fulfilled, when your money will be okay, when you are stable financially, then you will make any kind of move toward this particular person. And because this is your wish fulfillment right now, to become stable financially, and then you will move on to this person or to any kind of relationship in your life, okay. So you are this person is holding back, although they see you as a marriage material, although see you as a long term committed partner. And you are also on the crossroads. You are closed off to relationships right now because you are focused on your money, focused on building your career, focused on your own wish fulfillment right now, okay. And I pulled three cards from the Love Oracle deck, for the recent past, for the present energy, and for the near future. So recent past was Kisses. I feel like there was lots of there are There's lots of passion and there's lots of love in the recent past between you and this particular person, insane chemistry between you guys, because this is the recent past, and this is the current energy of yours. Coffee cup meeting and conversing, saving the moment, friendship. I feel like you are in the friendship zone right now, Leos. You guys are being friend with each other. Okay, and in the near future, we see the palm tree, stability, security, growth. There's stability coming your way, security coming your way, growth coming your way. Okay, so be focused on what you are focusing on right now. You are on the right track, you are on the right path. Okay, at the bottom of the deck for the mutual energy between both the parties, we have the hanged man. So nothing much is going on, everything is on hold right now, and I feel like both the parties are not doing much. Both the parties are holding back, both the parties are working on their healing, working on their abundance, working on their business. Then only they will move toward each other, and then they will make, any kind of offer or commitment. That is what is happening. Okay, and the last card for you is a self indulgence. I'm sorry for these words because my throat chakra become blocked sometimes when I talk a lot, when I do lots of readings. Okay, so this is self-indulgence card. Focus on self-worth, time to build shadow work, self-appreciation. That is your, maybe you can say, guidance from the universe. Okay, Leos. So thank you so much for listening to me, Leos, and this is your reading for till end of April, and I'll soon put a video for weekly check-ins about your partner's current feelings towards you. So thank you so much for listening. Let me know in the comment section below if it resonates with you, and thank you. And I'll welcome all the comments and all the good things, reviews. What I should improve in my readings to make it more clear. My throat is gone. So thank you so much. Thank you. Namaste.